Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Persons. Now I will display some exclusive, outstanding festive specials Dhakai Jamdani sarees collections only for you. So let me display. For more collections, please visit our showroom at Kolkata. All over India, free delivery, cash on delivery also available. And these are very beautiful color combinations. Bengal traditional soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, bright one based for your festive wear. Very beautiful bright looks all over buta design and ikat pattern contrast color Dhakai Jamdani design worked border. Ikat contrast weaving with Dhakai worked highlighted border all over buta design. Soft material, soft one summer wear also. Soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, very beautiful bright looks based for your festive wear without running blouse piece, only sari length, all over buta and pallu portions fully contrast color with fine self heavy weaving. Dhakai worked pallu, very beautiful bright look, soft one body fitted and this silk material mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece. This sari for your bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear, Dhakai Jamdani, bright looks, beautiful color combinations, contrast color, ikat with Dhakai worked border and pallu portions contrast fresh pink shaded with self Dhakai and contrast color Dhakai buta design all over pallu, bright beautiful looks. And this one full base part, fresh parrot green shade all over Dhakai buta, contrast color highlighted border. This one is border portions ikat with Dhakai Jamdani design worked border and all over buta also very beautiful bright looks without running blouse piece, only sari length. And so this is silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. And next one also nice color combinations, very bright one, soft material, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over Dhakai work. This one is grey shade, very elegant fresh looks. This one is full base part all over Dhakai buta design and this one is border portions fully contrast color threaded weaving design Dhakai worked border all over buta design. Soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, very soft material without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one pallu portions fully traditional Dhakai worked pallu, very elegant fresh looks. And suggest this silk material mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. Beautiful color combination, soft material, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over Dhakai work, white main base part is pure white with all over self Dhakai work with contrast color highlighted buta, very beautiful one. This one is full base part all over self Dhakai work with highlighted contrast buta and this one is border portions contrast color traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border, pallu portions beautiful contrast color with Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu, soft material, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani and all over base self weaving fine stripes pattern base with beautiful self Dhakai work with highlighted contrast buta design without running blouse piece, only sari length, very elegant looks based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear. And suggest this cotton fabric nice printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. Nice elegant color combinations, premium quality, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over Dhakai work. This one is full base part, very elegant fresh looks all over Dhakai buta design contrast color highlighted border and pallu also contrast color threaded Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu, soft one lightweight premium quality soft resham Dhakai Jamdani and this one is border portions fully traditional Dhakai worked border all over buta design, very elegant fresh looks without running blouse piece. And this contrast blouse piece, fully silk material with traditional buta work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. And next one bright one based for your Durga Puja wear, festive wear, bright color combinations and bright fresh orange shade, bright orange all over Dhakai buta design. This one is full base part, self Dhakai buta with contrast zari weaving Dhakai buta design all over saree. This one is full base part threaded with zari weaving Dhakai buta design. Border portions contrast color with traditional Dhakai worked border. Fresh bright looks, premium quality soft resham Dhakai jamdani. And this one pallu portions contrast color with beautiful weaving Dhakai weaving design worked pallu. Elegant bright gorgeous looks, and it's the silk material self brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one also nice color combination, bright one soft resham Dhakai jamdani all over Dhakai work, beautiful color combinations based for your festive wear. This one is full base part, nice elegant color combination. This one is pallu portions, fully contrast color threaded weaving Dhakai worked Dhakai jamdani design worked pallu, bright beautiful one main base is soft resham Dhakai jamdani all over Dhakai work. Very nice color combinations without running blouse piece, only saree length. And this silk material plain contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Next one nice color combinations, parrot green shade, soft material, soft resham Dhakai jamdani all over Dhakai work. This one is full base part all over Dhakai buta, contrast color highlighted Dhakai border and pallu. This one is pallu portions, contrast color threaded weaving heavy Dhakai jamdani design worked pallu all over Dhakai buta, border portions fully contrast color threaded weaving Dhakai border. Without running blouse piece, only saree length. Very bright beautiful looks based for your festive wear. And this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Beautiful color combination, soft material, soft resham Dhakai jamdani based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear, white and red contrast looks based for your Durga Puja wear. This one full base part, pure white base with self Dhakai work all over base. This one fully self Dhakai jamdani design work all over saree, and border portions red threaded Dhakai jamdani design worked border all over base self Dhakai work with highlighted contrast color yellow buta. Very beautiful bright looks, white and red contrast looks without running blouse piece, only saree length. And pallu portions fully contrast color traditional Dhakai jamdani design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, very beautiful bright looks based for your festive wear all over self Dhakai work with highlighted contrast buta. And plus this cotton fabric nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. Next one nice color combinations, very bright fresh one based for your festive wear, beautiful color combinations, light peach shade all over Dhakai buta and border and pallu fully contrast color threaded Dhakai jamdani design work pallu. This one is pallu portions all over threaded weaving traditional Dhakai jamdani design worked pallu all over buta design. Very fresh bright looks. This one is full base part all over Dhakai buta and border portions fully contrast color threaded weaving Dhakai jamdani design worked border. Very beautiful bright looks based for your festive wear. And this silk material heavy embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Next one nice color combinations, white base multi-color threaded Dhakai work, very exclusive combinations based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear. White base, main base part is white with self buta, and pallu portions fully contrast color threaded weaving heavy traditional Dhakai worked pallu. This one is pallu portions all over base self buta design. This one is full base part, white base with beautiful self buta all over base, and border portions fully contrast color threaded weaving traditional Dhakai worked border without running blouse piece, only saree length. And this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful bright looks. Beautiful color combination, soft material, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over Dhakai work, very beautiful bright looks. This one is full base part all over fine traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, all over base border portions contrast color threaded traditional Jamdani design work, border soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over Dhakai work, and pallu portions fully contrast color with beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu all over Dhakai work, very beautiful bright elegant looks, and this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful color combinations, fresh one, nice one, based for your festive wear, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, and very beautiful color combinations, all over Dhakai Buta contrast color baby pink border, and this one border portions fully contrast color ikat pattern with highlighted traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border all over Dhakai Buta, very beautiful one, zari with contrast color threaded weaving all over Dhakai work, of white base elegant color combinations without running blouse piece, only sari length, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color with fine traditional Dhakai worked pallu. This one is pallu portions all over Dhakai Buta design, very beautiful bright elegant looks based for your festive wear, and this is silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And today I have done a beautiful saree, same material, premium quality, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, all over contrast color threaded weaving traditional Dhakai work all over base, and pallu portions contrast color sky blue shaded with beautiful traditional Dhakai work Jamdani worked pallu, and very soft material, lightweight, body fitted, beautiful saree and designer blouse. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.